mushroom, lentil and red cabbage casserole. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 1 red onion in half moons. Chop 1 red cabbage in bite-sized pieces. Roughly chop 3 garlic cloves. Roughly chop 1 handful of raw cashew nuts. Heat a pot on a high heat. Add the onions. Add the garlic. Add the fennel seeds. Add the thyme sprigs. Add 1 dry bay leaf. And saute until the onions are soft. Add 1 cup of vegetable stock. And stir. Add 16 mushrooms. Add 1½ cups of lentils and stir. When boiling, cover with a lid. Reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes. Remove the lid, turn off the heat and stir. Add the red cabbage. Replace the lid and let sit for 5 minutes. Then serve with couscous.